Hi boys and girls, welcome to your Monday phonics lesson. Alright, so we're going to start out today with our rhyming. Remember, you're going to watch me first. I'm going to go first, then you're going to repeat, okay? Here we go. Meat, seat. Rain, chain. Sun, one. Dry, high. All, fall. Nice job. Our next section is we're listening for our onset fluency. So you're listening to me say a word, and then we're going to say the first sound. So remember, I will go first. You repeat. Door, d. Ride, Sun, s. Kite, k. Wall, w. Nice job. Okay, the next one we are going to do some blending. All right, so you need to have your choppers out, get your hands out, and we're going to chop our word up into syllables, okay? So I'm going to give you the 2 syllables, then we're going to say the word all together. Remember, watch me first, then you do it, all right? Ready? Live, live. Map, map. Hen. Got, got. Pick, pick. Nice job. All right, next section, we're going to punch it out, our final sounds, all right? So I'm going to say the word and punch out that last sound. Listen to me first, then you do it. Lip, p. Toss, s. Cake, k. Arm, Road, d. Nice job. All right, we need our choppers again. This time, I'm going to say the whole word first, then we're going to chop it into 2 pieces, all right? All right, our first word is leg, egg. Rain, ain. Sun, un. Bike, ike. 5, I've. Awesome. Okay. Our next section, we're going to be adding sounds, all right? So you're going to need your 2 hands for this one, okay? So we're going to start with app. Add k, cap. App. Add t, tap. App. Add s, sap. App. Add lap. App. Add map. Very good. All right, now we're going to delete sounds, all right? So you need to have a word sitting in your hands, and we're going to take away a part of that word. Okay, your first word is hit without h. What's left is it. All right, we're going to try that one again. We're going to delete sounds. So you're going to have a word sitting in your hands, okay? The word is hit without h. What's left is it. Very good. Sit without s. What's left is it. Pit without p. What's left is it. Kit without k. What's left is it. Bit without b. What's left is it. Very good. All right. We are going to do a whole nursery rhyme today, okay? So I'm going to say a line, then you're going to say it. Then at the end, we'll say the whole thing together, all right? The one today is called Three Little Kittens. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. Nice job. Let's do the whole poem together. Say it with me. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens.